Hello friends, there is an important update from NASCOM, and NASCOM has decided to upscale close to about a million by next year. So NASCOM is in talks with some major economies like Canada for upscaling by the end of next year, and they are planning to upskill about 1 million people in the IT sector, and Canada will be helping them out with the upskilling. And this move comes in view to the high attrition rate that India will see next year. NASCOM has predicted that by next year, the attrition rate will be around 22 to 23%. That's right, 22 to 23% will be the attrition rate. And jobs are coming in, the IT jobs are coming in. So there would be a clash in the amount of jobs that are coming in and the people, the skilled people that we have. Keeping in view with this attrition rate, NASCOM has decided that they will be training people, and Canada will be helping out in upskilling people. And by next year, Canada has come up with approximately 20,000 jobs for the Indian IT sector. There are other economies which will come in later. The UK and the USA are also helping the IT sector with the immigration possibilities and how they can give some more jobs to the Indian IT people. So this is an important update that NASCOM has come up with upscaling close to a million people, and a million people is a huge amount of people that people will be trained, and this is something actually to worry about. 22 to 23% of attrition rate next year is something that the IT sector was not really expecting to happen, but because of many factors, this is something that NASCOM has predicted and expects to hit India by next year. So before it hits in, the attrition, people leaving and taking another job, a new set of people would be employed with a variety of IT jobs, not only in India but also abroad. So this is one important that NASCOM has come up, and you can have a look at it. Thank you.